Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you guys are, my fellow plane spotters, and happy Father's Day to you all. It is a beautiful, beautiful, very late morning here in New Jersey, early afternoon. Want to wish you guys a very happy Father's Day. Hope you guys are spending time with your fathers and all. And if you two both enjoy plane spotting, hope you guys are enjoying plane spotting together and tracking down planes like I am today. I am very happy about my dad, and he's one of the greatest fathers I've ever had, and he treats me great and all, and I love him very much. Once again, guys, happy Father's Day, and tell your dad that you love him and wish him a happy birthday or whatever. If it is his birthday, wish him a happy Father's Day, etc. Take him out for dinner, do something.